Hey guys! If you've been seeing ads for Zencortex, the brain supplement that claims to improve memory, focus, and even mood, you're not alone. I decided to test it for 30 days, and in this video, I'll tell you exactly what happened. No fluff, no filters, just my honest experience. Zencortex is marketed as a nootropic, a supplement designed to boost brain performance. It claims to support cognitive function, reduce brain fog, and even slow mental decline. Sounds amazing, right? But with so many fake supplements out there, I wanted to make sure this one's legit. Let's break down the formula real quick. Zencortex includes bacopamonieri, ginkgo biloba, phosphatidylserine, L-glutamine, and a bunch of vitamins like B6, B12, and magnesium. All of these are known to support brain health. But the real question is, do they actually work together? Week 1, not much happened. Maybe a little more energy in the mornings. Week 2, I started noticing less brain fog and better focus, especially in the afternoons. Week 3, I was remembering names, dates, even where I left my keys. Week 4, I felt like my brain was firing faster. Reading, problem solving, even conversations felt sharper. Was it placebo? Maybe at first, but by week 4, it felt very real. What I liked, all natural ingredients, no side effects. It actually helped me focus and remember better. What I didn't like? You need to take it consistently. It's not magic. A bit pricey if you don't get the discounted bundle. So, is Zencortex worth it? For me, yes. Especially if you're feeling forgetful, foggy, or just not mentally sharp like before. But here's the thing. There are fake sites and knockoffs out there. I recommend getting it from the official site only so you avoid fakes. It's got a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you're not risking anything. So I'm linking the official site with the discount I used in the description below. Go check it out before it sells out. And if you've tried Zencortex, drop a comment. I want to hear your experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. See you in the next video.